and welcome to Teresa Treats. Today we're going to make a very lovely, traditional dessert. Yes, I'm going to make today creamy fruit custard. Now I'm going to add 2 little ingredients which will really change the traditional custard. So let's get into the recipe and see how to make it. For the creamy fruit custard, we'll boil 250 ml of milk. Now before that, I'm going to set aside 100 milliliters of milk in a separate bowl. Now this we will need it to make the custard slurry. Now let's bring the milk to boil. Now once it starts bubbling, we're going to add ingredients one by one. First, I'm adding here 4 tablespoons of sugar. And stirring it well so that the sugar completely dissolves. Now, once the sugar has completely dissolved, next I'm going to add here 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. Now remember, this is the secret to making the custard extra creamy and delicious. Stir in well the cream and let it simmer for about a minute. It will take about 2 or 3 minutes for the cream to completely dissolve with the milk. Now once that is done, let's prepare our custard mixture. Take the 100 milliliters of milk that we had set aside earlier and mix in it 2 tablespoons of custard powder. Now mix it thoroughly so that there are no lumps. Now it should be a flowing consistency. Now I'm going to slowly pour the slurry into the simmering milk. When we are pouring it, we need to stir it continuously. Keep the flame low and stir well to prevent lumps from forming. You will notice the milk gradually thickening, and that's exactly what we want. But remember, the custard should still have a flowing consistency. Now once the custard is smooth and thickened, I'm adding here 1 cup of mango pulp. Now this will give the custard a beautiful color and a rich fruity flavor. Now you can add mango pieces too. Mix it well, turn off the heat and let it cool completely. Now to check if the custard has the right texture, dip a ladle into it and swipe your finger across the back. If it forms a line and the custard flows down smoothly, it is perfect, and that's how it should be. Now let's chill the custard before adding the fruits. Now I've taken here a mix of pineapple, apple, banana, grapes, pomegranate and mango. Of course, we added the pulp. Now you can add the fruits of your choice. Now to ensure your custard has a flowing yet thick consistency, always chill the fruits separately and add them just 10 minutes before serving. Now this helps to prevent the fruits from releasing water and keeps the custard from becoming runny. Now we are going to gently fold the fruits into the custard. Make sure that all the fruits have incorporated well. Now let's prepare to serve our delicious dessert. So our creamy fruit custard is ready, and you would have seen that why this dish is elevated by the two ingredients that I have added in this custard. So do try the recipe and let me know how you liked it. And as always I say, cook with passion, serve with love. Follow Teresa Treats, like my channel, share my channel, subscribe my channel, and I shall see you in the next video.